Hi, my name is Maddy. I live in Ferntree Gully with my young family. We were looking for someone to completely renovate our house. We have a 1960s home and we really just wanted to make it modern and really do it up again. Right from the get-go, we had looked at over 15 potential vendors. We had met with them and asked them to come in and take measurements and all of that, but right from the start, Reno Trades stood out. We weren't really sure what we wanted to do. They gave us so many different ideas as to different things that we could do that would really bring the space to life. We knew that we wanted a new kitchen, we knew that we wanted a new laundry, and we knew that there were some things that were just old and outdated that we wanted out. We gave them that information and they came up with multiple plans and multiple options as to how we could bring that to life. We had a very short time frame for this project. Because we have a young family, we wanted to get back into the house as soon as possible. They did this project while we were overseas in under 3 weeks. That was so quick, and we came back to a brand spanking new house, which we were just absolutely thrilled by. Reno Trades actually suggested to us that we create this area into an open plan living, which we never thought of. We are so grateful that they did that because we cannot imagine this space without this open kitchen and this open area. I would suggest for anyone who's looking to do a big renovation to really work with your vendors. Make sure you find someone that you trust, that has lots of experience and has the right contacts. One thing that you could do is check their social media. I went straight to Reno Trades' Instagram page and I knew from the previous jobs that they had done that we wanted to work with them. Even after we came back and we had moved in, Reno Trades offered us really great post-care. They came in and answered any questions. They came back and checked that everything was working fine. They have been with us every step of the way. We highly recommend Reno Trades and we are so grateful for them and for all they've done to our house. We are looking forward to working with them for more projects in the future.